Ron Atchison for Autoforge.net. In this video, we're going to take a look at buff and shine polishing pads. Starting with the least aggressive, we have the yellow polishing pad. Then we move to the blue or blueberry, as a lot of people call it, heavy polishing pad. Then we move to the maroon medium cut pad. And then we finish up with the microfiber blended heavy cutting pad. So if you're a fan of using all-in-one products, these are the two pads that you would most commonly use. The blueberry being probably the most popular. Probably 70% of all your polishing will be done with this pad. But should that pad not give you the correction you're looking for, then you would step up to the maroon pad. For strictly polishing, you would go with the yellow and then possibly the blue one. But for heavy defect removal, you would be using the microfiber blended pad. As you can see, this pad has black and white strands in it. They didn't do that just so that it looks neat or whatever. They actually have a function. The two different colors of microfiber do two different things when they're actually cutting and polishing. The other thing that you'll notice about the buff and shine pad compared to other companies is the pad's going to feel quite a bit firmer to you. Reason for that is durability. If the pad starts out kind of soft, it's not long that the pad becomes really flimsy and then the pad basically doesn't work anymore. So by it being a little bit more rigid foam to begin with, you're going to get more durability out of it. Your pad's going to last longer and it's going to save you money. The other thing about the buff and shine pads are they are an open cell foam. So what the open cell does is it helps the pad run cooler, which again then helps with the durability. All of these pads, as far as the foam ones go, come in three different sizes. We have a 6-inch, a 5-inch, and a 3-inch. So on your 6-inch pad, it's going to have a 7-inch face, but it will have a 6-inch Velcro backing. Same thing with the 5. It'll have a 6-inch face, but it'll have 5-inch Velcro backing. And then the 3-inch pad is really about 3 3/4, maybe 4-inch, with 3-inch Velcro on the back. So if you'd like to learn any more information on buff and shine pads, please visit Autoforge.net. Hope you found the video informative. If you did, please like and subscribe. This is Ron Atchison. Thanks for watching.